What's up, guys? I just got back from the mailbox and lo and behold, there's a little package from T-Rex Arms. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Alright, let's get these QDC rings on there. And you do have to buy these separately. They do not come with the sling. And the next one. There we go. Alright guys, after a little bit of adjustment, I am really happy with this sling. And when you're ready to go to work, you just pull this tab here. And when you're ready to go back to high and tight, you just pull that tab. T-Rex Arms makes a hell of a good sling.